Namaste students, today we are going to discuss about an area related to circle. In the earlier class, about a diameter and circumference of a circle. See, this circumference of a circle is nothing but a perimeter of a circle. So this circumference of a circle is a constant with the diameter. That means the circumference, the ratio of a circumference to diameter equals to n pi. That means, to see, circumference, the ratio of circumference to diameter is equals to a constant, nothing but the constant we call it as an pi. What? Pi. See, the circumference is nothing but pi. Okay, so this is pi. The value of pi is 22/7, nothing but 3.142. Okay, so see, circumference, if you want to calculate in circumference of a given circle, okay, you use a formula, and circumference equals to, okay, by cross multiplying this diameter, pi into diameter. Pi into diameter. From earlier class, the diameter is equals to and twice the radius. That means d equals to 2r. Okay, so pi into diameter even 2r. The diameter is twice the radius. So that becomes 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is 22/7, equal to 3.142. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to finding the areas of circles. Okay, so see, and first one work the example. This is a formula. C equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so now work the example. First one. So the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of 24 rupees per meter is 5,280 rupees. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of 0.50 rupees per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. Take pi equals to 22/7. Okay. So for this question, work the example. So the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of 24 rupees per meter is 5,280 rupees. Means to fence per meter it requires 24 rupees. To fence an entire field require 5,280 rupees. Okay. So same, the field is to be ploughed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Okay. To plough that field require 0.50 rupees per meter square. Okay. What is the cost of ploughing the field? Okay. First we have to calculate the area of that circular field. Okay. So to calculate the area of that circular field, we require radius. Okay. So we have to calculate first radius. A solution. So here the total length of the fence, the total length of fence equal to, and find the total cost by rate. Means 5,280 by 24 means 220. Will and 220. So this is what the total length, that is circumference of a circle. The circumference of circle is nothing but c equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r equals to 220. So 2 pi r equal to 220. Okay, so r equal to 220 divided by 2 pi. Okay, so 220 by 2 into pi is nothing but in 22 by 7. You take a reciprocal 7 by 22. Okay. So radius. So radius how much? Finally we get radius is 22 ones are 22 tens are 2 ones are 2 fives are 7 fives are 35. So we get radius is 35 meter. Okay, radius 35 meter. Okay. So now the area of the circle, area of circle. Area of circle. Area of circle equal to, area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so pi, as it is right now, radius is 35. Okay, so you write down a pi value is in 22 by 7. Okay, so r square is nothing but the radius is 35 into 35. Okay, so it means how much totally this is what area of circle, area of this circle. The cost of circle, the cost of the circular field, circular field to be plugged, equal to 22 by 7 into 35 into 35 to per meter square is 0.50 rupees. To plug this entire area, you multiply with the 0.50 rupees. Okay, so then you will getting a final answer. That is rupees 1925 rupees. 1925 rupees. Okay, so this is what a final answer. Okay, so to plug the entire circular area, okay, you multiply this circular area with the cost to require to plug the entire field. Okay, and that is you have to multiply this area with this 0.50 rupees, then you getting in 1925 rupees. Okay, that means in 1925 rupees. Okay, so this is the answer. Next we are going to solve exercise that is on 12.1. Okay, exercise 12.1. The first question. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. The radii of solution. Directly I go through an answer, solution. First in given is what? Radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Here two circles are there. One circle radius is 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter. Okay, that is R1 equals to 19 centimeter. Okay, so another circle with the radius 9 centimeter. Another one circle with the radius 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is considered an R2 equal to 9 centimeter. Okay. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to sum of the circumference of the two circles. You have to calculate the radius of the another circle whose circumference is equal to circumference of these two circles. Okay. So you have to calculate the radius of the another circle, third circle, unknown circle. Okay, by use of sum of these two circumference. These two circumference is equal to circumference of that circle, unknown circle. Means to find what? Radius of the third circle. Radius of the third circle, let it be considered as an R3. Okay. So from the given, you know, the circumference of these two, the circumference of this circle is C1, the circumference of this circle is in C2. Okay, so C1 plus C2 equal to circumference of the unknown circle. Okay, C. Okay, so C1 is nothing but 2 pi. R1 is 19 centimeter. Okay, plus C2 2 pi. R2 radius is the 9 centimeter. Okay, equal to C. Okay. 19 to the 38 pi plus 18 pi equal to C. Okay. 56 pi. By adding 38 pi plus 18 pi, you get 56 pi equal to C. Okay, and C equal C equals to 56 pi and pi equal to radius of the circle. So C is nothing but 2 pi R and this is an 56 pi. Okay, so pi get cancelled and 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 2 8 is 16. Okay, so R equal to 28 centimeter. So this is what an R3. Okay, so the radius of unknown circle. Okay. So this is the first problem. And second problem, so this is the radius of the unknown circle. Okay, the circumference of sum of these two circumference is equal to the circumference of the third circle. Okay, by use of that. You have to calculate the radius of the third circle or unknown circle. So next one, second problem. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having the area equal to sum of the areas of two circles. See here two circles are given in solution. Two circles are given. One circle with center O. Okay. So radius is not given. Only the area is given. Area of the circle. See radius is given. The radius of this circle is 8 centimeter. Okay, area is not given. Okay, so and another circle with radius 6 centimeter. Another one circle with radius 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the area of this circle is A1 and this area of this circle is A2. Okay. Now you have to calculate the radius of the unknown circle. Okay. Whose area of that circle is equal to sum of the area of these two circles. Areas of these two circles means what? See here given radius R1 equal to the radius R1 is 8 centimeter and R2 is 6 centimeter. Okay. To find what? To find the radius of a third circle. Okay, radius of the third circle. Okay. So in the question is given that the sum of these two areas is equal to the area of the unknown circle or third circle. Okay, so area of the third circle equal to the area of this A1 plus A2. Sum of the areas of two circles. Okay, area you don't know pi r square plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Okay, so area equals to, see you take it pi as a common pi, so remaining is r1 square plus r2 square. Okay, so pi write same as pi. R1 square, R1 radius is 8 square plus R2 is 6 centimeter, 6 square. Okay, so pi 8 square 64 plus 6 6 36. It becomes in pi 64 plus 36 100. Okay, so the area of the third circle or unknown circle is 100 by meter square. 100 by meter square. Okay, so this is an area of the unknown circle. Okay, thank you.